hilarious. Next week, you pull up with all his might, Rocky just hanging on to the other end of the rope, laying there.
Like, keep going, bud. It's a different iPad.
It's got a cover.
Ah,
oh, I threw it too far? Too far for the vision? Oh, there you go.
I just didn't see it. Okay, you're going home. It's not staying in our room.
It's behind you, crazy.
So what are you doing Saturday? Well, you can't work? What? What's going on? Oh. You know, it's funny when I seen all those payout machines coming around. Mazer? What the hell is Mazer working for? You know, phone rings.
I had to go there anyways.
What?
Hilltops?
No, not that
Oh,
one. Oh, that one was a major, I guess. I didn't help much with that one. I'm like, open the back. It's like I can't.
It was too hard. I could have tried to walk him through it on the phone, but it was better for me to go there and show him what's
I'm
going
like,
on.
I know the top comes off. You know, I don't remember if there's any screws. I go, I'd call John.
Taping it?
But no, halftime. He called me at home.
Well, yeah, halftime, fucking guy.
I'm like, I
Did he
go,
tell you what happened?
I go, would you log in and then open them? He's like, no. I'm like, I think you did.
He made it sound like you had him walk it, do something.
I was trying to get it back because he called me and said the money's done.
Mm.
I'm like, well, why do you say that? He goes, well, you go to diagnosis. He says, no money. I said, print the receipt first. I go, is the money there? He's like, yeah. I go, well, it is money. And I was trying to walk him into.
He had to have logged into it.
That's what I said. He was like, no.
But he didn't have to do anything. If he would have called me, I would have told him what the error was. The 2.8, there was a freaking coin in the shutter door.
Yeah, he didn't tell me anything about that until after it was all over with.
Well, yes, it was already too late.
Because I know the 8 was the shutter door. A couple of them I know.
Oh, yeah, right.
You know, so like 2.5. All I know is